Good morning, good afternoon, and or good night whenever you're finding the time to join me in this video. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time here at my channel, welcome to Fran Plans. Today is a rather fun video, at least for me. I hope you guys agree. I want to just take a minute and show you guys or give a flip through of my DIY Christmas planner. So, I'm a big fan of the Happy Planner, and I hope you are too. And they came out this year. I think this is the first year because I have not seen this in previous years. And yeah, I haven't seen it in previous years. And I did actually find one in the store. But they came out with, you know, the Happy Planner. You can have all these different extensions to your planner, whether it's the fitness, whether it's, what else? Fitness. I think there's one now for like Bible journaling. What else? I think there's a wellness packet. So you can do, and there's the budget edition. You can add all these different additions on, or extensions, I should say, on to your regular classic Happy Planner. And I think they have them for the other sizes too. But I know for the classic Happy Planner, definitely. So anyway, they came out this year with a Christmas extension packet. And I thought it was really cute. I saw it online. And I think I've seen a few, I think I've seen like maybe 2 or 3 different people with videos of it on here on YouTube. And I was like, okay, I gotta find it, right? But then I go into different stores and Hobby Lobby, and you know, I would think I went to 2 different Hobby Lobbies and I did not find it. Now I did go to another one on another day and I did find it. And you know what? I was just like, you know what? It's not worth it to me. I feel like I can make my own to fit my needs for Christmas. So that's exactly what I did. And I just want to do a flip through of what I did and hopefully inspire somebody else. If you're looking for the Happy Planner extension packet, if you have these things, you know, if you're a crafter or a planner girl, you probably have everything that you already need to make your own. And so hopefully this video inspires someone to do that. So let me just dive right in. These are the smaller Happy Planner disc. I had them from another planner, from a mini. They worked great for this. So I had some cardstock from a paper pack, I think from last year. I just laminated that. I added a few Christmas stickers. I do want to put our family name here, but I haven't figured out how I want to do that just yet. It'll probably be stickers, of course, or vinyl using my Cricut. So I went ahead and just used some cardstock. I laminated it and the disc, and I made myself a planner. So I will be using this throughout the holiday season this year. I thought it would be really cute. So let me just show you guys what I have in it. Of course, like I said, make it your own if you do decide to do this, and that way it fits your needs. Because the one in the store has like a, what is it called? A cookie exchange. And I've never done a cookie exchange. So that wouldn't fit my needs. So, but everything else in there, you know, holiday gift lists and cards and so forth, of course. But a cookie exchange, I'm like, I'm just going to end up wasting it. So I just made this to be personalized for me and my family. So let's jump into this. So when you open it up, I have, the other side of this is just another part of some cardstock. I laminated that on the back. I added a clear pocket here. It's like a secretarial pocket where I'm just holding Christmas stickers that I've had for maybe like a year or 2 that I really want to use this year. I don't want to hoard these stickers anymore. I want to get rid of them. They're just from various shops throughout the holiday season when they send samplers and so forth. So I just have these in here, and they're just going to be for decorative fun throughout the season. So I just put those in here so I don't forget, because like I said, I do not want to put these back in my sticker binder because I want to use them. Then I just have some extra note paper. This is just extra filler paper from the Happy Planner. I just added that in. This was a freebie or a card, journaling card, I guess you could say. More for like a B6 traveler's notebook or personal size ring binder planner. I just punched it and stuck it in here. I thought it was cute. And it has my name on the back. It's like a rewards card, but I never use it for that. And then I put in an expense tracker. just to keep track of expenses throughout the holiday season, whether it's gifts or your stamps you have to buy for your cards, or your cards themselves, or even grocery shopping. I just put that in there so it'll be right there, you know, available to me. And I just added Christmas sticker there. The stickers are just from my stash. I think they're from Memory Plan, one of the Memory Planning Happy Planner sticker books. So more expense trackers, and that's that. Then I have some more cardstock. I did not laminate this part, but I did put another secretarial pocket. I'm thinking to put receipts here, or anything that I may need to total at the end of the season or the month or the week or whatever. Just put the receipts there, and that way I can transfer it over to the expense tracker. And then I have the month for November already laid out in here, because to me the Christmas season starts November 1st. Even though Thanksgiving is like my favorite holiday of the year, you know, you just start to getting into that mode of Christmas. So I went ahead and laid that out and just added my stickers, and that's pretty much it. That's what I have going on here. And then I have December, which I have not decorated yet, so I will do that when the time comes. Then here, I just went ahead and did a quick, like, little Christmas menu. You know, I don't do, like, the main cooking. My mom does the main cooking for our holiday. Well, we usually travel for Thanksgiving. For Christmas. We alternate years. One year, my husband's family in Texas, and then 1 year here. But because the baby will be here, she'll only be a month old, around a month at that time, we will be home. So I won't be doing the main cooking, but I will be helping with my mom. So our Christmas menu will go here. I went ahead and wrote out some of the Christmas gifts, and nobody on this list is going to watch this video, so I don't care about anyone seeing it. But just some gift cards I need to pick up for people, and just some things that I know I have to get. Went ahead and started writing that out. And then I just have more paper here. This washi tape, the buffalo plaid. I got this washi tape at Target. It was like $1. And I just used some filler paper that I've had and put that in there. Maybe like to-dos or whatever that goes in there. Then I did a spot for Christmas cards. So people that we send out Christmas cards to, I'll be tracking that. And then like a memory page. I'm thinking to do some memory planning here, since this will be our first Christmas with our daughter. And let's see, I think I just have extra filler paper. Oh, and I just kind of glued some of them together because maybe I had written some on the side. I just didn't want to waste. And just added some stickers from the memory planning. And then I have a section here for wishes and prayers for 2019. So kind of like what I want to pray and wish for the new year coming in. And then here I just have filler paper. So whatever I want to add, I can do that as I go along. And then on the back, I just have more cardstock. I have a pocket here. Not sure what I'll put there, but I have another pocket there. And then on the back, I just have another piece of cardstock, and I just laminated this part. So that is a quick flip through, and I didn't do this even. So make sure you line your paper up in your Happy Planner punch, because that's where I made a mistake. Like, this one is longer than everything else, but that's okay. It was my first time doing this, but I just really wanted to show you guys how you can do your own planner for the holidays or Halloween or whatever you celebrate, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever fits your mojo. You know, you can make it your own and still, you know, have a planner for it and still be crafty. So I do appreciate you guys watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. I do like to bring all types of different planner videos, budget videos. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for sticking around, and I will talk with you guys in the next video. Thank you.